Most people lose their week by Wednesday. What if 3 days could change everything? This is the Barakah discipline system. Barakah Vantage, where Islamic wisdom meets high-performance discipline. 3 days, 3 principles, 1 system. Monday is a reset, not a punishment. The disciplined professional sets intention before the world sets the agenda. Before you open a single app on Monday morning, decide what this week is for. 1 goal, 1 focus. That is the Monday advantage. A strong start needs a strong defense. Here is how you protect it. By Wednesday, your focus is under attack. Meetings that could have been emails, notifications hijacking your train of thought. The 7 to 4 shield is simple. Sealed work blocks. Phone on silent. 1 task at a time. Guard your time like you guard your prayer. Both require presence. You have reset. You have defended. Now it is time to arrive. Friday is not the end of the week. It is the crown of it. Do not coast into Jumu'ah. Arrive. Close the loops. Clear the desk. Because the rest that follows Jumu'ah is not laziness. It is sacred recovery, and it fuels the next reset. Reset, defend, arrive. 3 days, 1 discipline. Subscribe for your weekly Barakah gem. Every Friday, this is Barakah Vantage.